I hope you've been enjoying the sunny but quite coolish autumn weather across South Africa the past few days. But before we look at your Thursday forecast, here's a quick throwback to April's rainfall across South Africa and the map behind me clearly showing the wet end to the rainy season for eastern South Africa. This is a map showing the percentage of normal rainfall that fell across the country for the month of April, and here in the shade of pink, more than 200%, well, that's double the average rainfall fell for the month of April in those regions. I wouldn't be too worried about the Western Cape. Their rainy season is coming up, but I'm more concerned about the below average rainfall that fell over the drought-stricken Eastern Cape, especially over the catchment areas of Nelson Mandela Bay. But now it's time for your Thursday forecast. It's going to be another mainly sunny but cool and dry autumn today across South Africa. Typical for this time of the year, foggy patches expected over the west as well as the southern Cape coastline, parts of the eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and over the Highveld with a coastal low that might bring in a few drops of light rain for the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Moving into the Western Cape, it's quite cool along the coast, a few foggy patches possible the morning, a northwesterly wind blowing, and sunny over the central parts with temperatures only in the lower 20s. A northwesterly wind picking up into the afternoon over parts of the Karoo, and a high of 23 degrees in Beaufort West, remaining quite coolish along the southern Cape coastline. It's cold at first with a few foggy patches in parts of the Eastern Cape on Thursday morning, a low of only 3 degrees in Aliwal North, and a northeasterly wind blowing along the coast. Also foggy patches at first in parts of KwaZulu-Natal, quickly clearing up with a northeasterly wind along the coast, and maximum temperatures in the mid-20s for the coastal areas with a slight chance of morning drizzle over the extreme northern coast. Moving to Mpumalanga, it's cooler in the low veld with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s the afternoon. A mainly sunny day for Limpopo, mostly sunny skies with a high of 25 in Polokwane, and also mid-20s for the Bushveld. A low of 7 degrees in Ventersdorp and 9 in Mahikeng. Later, a mainly sunny but a northwesterly wind picking up with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s for northwest. Moving to the Northern Cape, we're also expecting a few foggy patches over the coastal areas, a northwesterly wind picking up into the afternoon with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. Also becoming windy after a cold morning in parts of the Free State with a high of 24 degrees in Bloemfontein. A typical autumn sunny day for Gauteng, a low of 10 degrees in Pretoria and a high of 24 degrees. Moving into Friday, we've got another weak cold front brushing the coastline, bringing drizzle for Cape Town and cooler conditions for the Western Cape, but sunny and dry over the rest of the country. And then into Saturday, ridging high behind the cold front might push in a few showers for parts of the Eastern Cape, pulling in some cooler weather and light rain for KwaZulu-Natal with only 22 in Durban. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.